chassis assembly, internal, exterior, final assembly, final inspection line. And you have the seats that are being installed over there. Obviously, these are interiors getting hooked on to this. So apparently, they say that they deliver or they make one car in 70 seconds. Within 70 to 75 seconds, one car is made and it's out. That's the speed. So you have these robots over here that will take stuff and go according to desired destination. You have these lines over here. I think they follow these lines. Just look at this. There's no one controlling it. It's automated. Thanks AI. And there you have the entire, again, internals getting hot. These are the door trims, door panels going on. Then you have chassis assemblies over here, dashboards and everything are getting assembled. All doors. You can see the full alley is for doors. We're at the battery assembly station right now. Okay, so this is the battery assembly station. There you go, the battery pack is going, it's going to be installed. And there you go, the lift has lifted it and it's gone all the way, and then someone will, and they are tightening it up. Easy process, obviously robots and everything have made it very easy. Before it was a manual process, it used to take a lot of time, but right now you just saw it took hardly 10 seconds to install a battery. And now the car is moving and we have the next car. Nice. And there you see that another battery pack is just coming up. The battery pack that was on this has already been installed. Less than 10 seconds took. That's the another battery pack that will go out on either that car. It'll stop over here, the car will come in front, it'll lift up and they'll just repeat the process. Bumper assembly. Now we're heading to the bumper assembly and then we are going to go to the final assembly, to the conveyor. Okay, brake oil, coolant and all the other liquids that are going to be installed. So every part has a different kind of thing. Look at this again, robots. And there you go, it's kind of the final assembly over here, installing these wheels, tires, and yeah, we're gonna stop over here. And so after interiors, exteriors, battery, that is kind of the final stage where the wheels are being put on. And yeah, that's kind of the battery pack right underneath. And the car is going to be hoisted over here. It's going to take this turn and go and park itself somewhere there. And those are the finished products. Let's go have a look at those. So yeah, these are the finished products. So that is something you need to see right now. And you have the limo green, you have the VF9, then you have the VF8 right over here. Then you have the VF7, VF6, VF3. This is one of the most demanding cars right now. All around Vietnam you can just see this car and it is spectacular. Just look at this. This is actually a bulletproof vehicle and only 20 units have been made all across. Just look at it. Look at the gold emblems all around.